Rewards app is a general category of apps that pay users for small online tasks, but most people underestimate how long it actually takes to reach a meaningful payout. By the end of this, you'll know how reward-style apps work in 2026, what you actually earn, and whether they're worth your time. Rewards apps usually work the same way. You sign up, complete simple tasks like surveys, offers, or watching ads, and you earn points. Those points convert into cash or gift cards, depending on the platform. The process is simple. The results are not. The main issue is time versus payout. Most tasks look easy on the surface, but they pay very small amounts. Surveys can take several minutes and still end in disqualification. Offers can pay more, but they often require app installs, subscriptions, or reaching specific milestones. That means your real earnings depend on how well you match with available offers, not just how much time you spend. Here's how people actually use these apps. First, they focus on offer walls instead of surveys. Offer walls like AdGate or Revu, inside many reward apps, usually give better returns than basic tasks. Users who stick to these tend to progress faster. Second, they avoid low-value tasks. Things like long video loops or repetitive click tasks usually build points slowly and are better treated as background activity instead of main earning methods. Third, they stack multiple apps instead of relying on one. Most users combine 2 or 3 rewards platforms so they can rotate between available offers instead of waiting for one app to update. Now the reality check. These apps are legit in most cases. They do pay, but they are not stable income. They work better as small side earnings for spare time, not something you depend on. The biggest mistake is expecting consistent hourly income. These platforms don't work like a job. They work like small task marketplaces, where availability changes constantly. So here's the summary. Rewards apps are real. They are simple to start and flexible to use. The downside is low payout per task, inconsistent availability, and time-heavy earning patterns. If you want to test them, start with one app. Track how long it takes to reach your first cash out, then decide if it's worth continuing or switching to a different platform. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and check the next breakdown before you waste time on the wrong app.